Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Adobe Acrobat All Tools pane disappears when clicking on the edit PDF. Let's begin. So first, this is actually missing this option on your Adobe Acrobat Pro. What you can do first and foremost is go to menu over here, left click, hover down up until help, then go to check updates. Basically, you need to make sure that your version of the Adobe Acrobat is actually the current or up-to-date version, right? Because usually this type of errors actually show up from older or previous versions, all right? So make sure to update this first, do this first, and then you're basically done. Most of your issues will be fixed by just simply updating the version of your Adobe Acrobat. What you can do also is trigger the shortcut for showing the pane for all tools. You can press F8 on your keyboard, and that will absolutely show the pane, or what I mean is it will toggle up the option to show this, all right? But pretty much just updating your Adobe Acrobat will fix this issue. That's it. Is how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.